character sheet design, creating various shots with the same character, and then animating. This is probably exactly what you're looking for, and that's why you're here. But today I want to introduce you to a whole new world, a place where you can do anything you can imagine in image and video creation beyond just animation. Here, you can generate images, animations, or videos in various styles, and the best part, you can even use it for free. You'll have access to different models for image generation, allowing you to create in various styles. Then you can edit them using countless AI-powered tools and seamlessly turn them into videos. Plus, text to video is also available here. Today, I'll test this platform for you to see how good it really is. Then I'll use it to create a character sheet, a consistent character, and an animation. I'm Daniel, an experienced 2D and 3D animator. On this channel, I explore AI tools for content creation, especially in animation, and share my insights with you. So stick around. And if you enjoy this type of content, your likes and subscriptions really help us out. First, click the link in the description and head over to TensorArt. This is a massive AI-powered content creation platform with an endless number of tools. So many that you'll probably never have time to try them all. The categories are well organized and highly practical. On the homepage, you'll find most of the sections conveniently previewed for quick access. On the left side, there's a drop-down menu where you can explore and use all of Tensor's tools and features. You'll find a variety of models for image and video generation that you can either run directly or download if you prefer. There are numerous powerful tools designed to help you create content efficiently. You can remix posts made by other users, use amazing pre-designed workflows where all you need to do is customize the input and settings, and check out many other exciting sections that are worth exploring. If you want a fast and easy way to begin, start with the chat section. Here, you can talk to Tensor's Chatbot, and it will generate whatever you ask for. You can tweak small details if needed, but this is just the beginning. You're actually chatting with one of Tensor's many AI models, which you can choose from in the Models section. These highly advanced AI models can generate both images and videos. By selecting one, you can check out its samples and specifications. On the right, you can chat with the AI model to generate the image you want. Below, you'll find related posts, which you can remix if you like. Now let's go back to the main page and you start from the creation section. As you can see, you have access to 4 tools here: text to image, image to image, text to video, and image to video. To generate an image, you first need to choose an AI model. I'll pick one of Tensor's 3D animation models. Each model comes with recommendations from the author, which may be useful for your project. So far, you can get great results just by entering a simple prompt without changing any settings. But next, I'll show you how to boost the quality and accuracy of your generation and get an amazing result. There's also a prompt enhancement option, which is really handy, but even more powerful is the abstract tool, which converts your reference image into a prompt, allowing you to customize it and create a new image. You can write your prompt in any language and use the built-in translator, or you can use random preset prompts for inspiration. After selecting your model, you'll get access to different LoRa's that you can add to your project. This helps you achieve more precise and unique results. Each LoRa comes with detailed descriptions in case you need guidance. You can also customize your creation with control nets, which give you full control over the output. The most important ones for animation are open pose and reference only, which allow you to generate consistent characters across different animation shots. This is especially useful for storyboarding or image to video workflows. VAE is an encoder used for color adjustments. You can either use the automatic setting or the model's default, Once you've set the aspect ratio, you can experiment with different sampling methods for varied results. The sampling steps determine how many times the AI refines your image. 25 seems to be the optimal number, as higher values take more time. CFG controls how closely the AI follows your prompt, and a value around 7 seems to work best. You can also enhance your images with upscalers for higher resolution, a detailer for finer details, and layer diffusion for transparent backgrounds. Once you've generated your images, you can move them to the image to video section to create your animation. But before that, you can make any edits you want. Change the style of your image for a different look. Upscale it for better quality. Fine-tune the details for a more polished look. Modify specific areas using in-painting to perfect your image. Or even let AI regenerate it with enhancements. In the image to video section, first choose your preferred model from Tensor's advanced selection. Keep in mind that some models don't support LoRa. In the settings, you can adjust details like generation mode, resolution, and duration before running the generation process. I'll test a few of these models next. You can also use text to video, which works similarly to image to video but doesn't require a reference image. Now let's explore the AI tools section to generate consistent characters along with character sheets. There are tons of tools here, allowing you to do almost anything, like placing yourself in different settings with various styles, using image extenders, performing in-painting, and more. But right now, I'm going to use the character sheet generator, which utilizes Tensor's powerful AI model Flux. You can start with one of the sample character sheets. Even a simple prompt can get the job done, but if you want a highly detailed image, you should use a strong prompt or leverage the abstract and enhance options. This character sheet can be used in another fascinating feature of Tensor, which you can find on the homepage, Spark. In this section, you can generate multiple images based on a reference image, whether it's a character or an environment, without worrying about complex settings. If you import your character sheet here and describe the scene you want, Tensor will generate the image for you. There are also tons of sample images available that you can use as references or even copy their prompts. Tensor has so many tools and applications that I can't possibly cover them all in just a few videos, but you can explore them yourself and see what works best for you. Until next time, stay creative.